Hey everyone, I got my sons a remote control monster car. Let's check it out. You've got the car, remote, instruction manual. There's two different kinds of batteries. One is the rechargeable lithium batteries, and then you've got regular batteries here. And this is the USB charger that you would connect to these batteries. And this is really awesome because you can switch between the two. So you don't have to worry about the playtime being cut short. It also has a screwdriver. It's fully equipped with independent shock absorbers on all sides. Hollow rubber compound tires with a strong grip. This right here protects the body from impact damage. This is a high-speed remote control car with two-wheel drive suitable for different terrains. Now let's see how my boys like it.